Let's go to Amazon and do a search for knives. Now, when you do a search for knives, take a look at the options you are presented with. The results you see may be different based on the selection you make. Let's choose to look for knives in the home and kitchen category. Now, take a look at this drop-down menu here. If you see that you can sort by featured, that usually means the niche has at least a few products with more than 1000 reviews. That means products in this niche are selling very well and it's a big niche. For this niche, you can sort by featured. This usually is a very good sign. For some smaller niches, you will not have this option. It really doesn't make much of a difference whether you choose to sort by relevance or sort by featured. But the presence of this option is a good sign. Let's sort by featured. As you can see, there are lots of items with more than 1000 4 and 5-star reviews. This means they are selling very well. But we do not see any products selling for $50 or more here. Let's see the second page. Let's see if we can find some knives selling for more than $50. This one is a bread maker. There's one here, but it's a cookware set. There is one here. So far we have found only one. At this stage, it might seem this is not a very promising niche to build a site around. We can't seem to find more than one product that's selling for more than $50. It's at times like these that we need a bit of creative thinking. Instead of giving up on this niche, let's do a search for knife set. What do we see? On the first page, there are several products that meet our criteria. This one, there's one here, another one here, another one here, another one here, another one is here. So, while we couldn't find any products selling for $50, when we did a search for knives, we found several when we searched for knife set. So rule 1 is satisfied, and this seems like a good niche to build a site in. You can build a site about knives and sell knife sets. That's possible. Before giving up on a niche when all of the products seem to be selling for less than $50, you would always want to check whether people buy them in sets. Sets cost more than individual items, and you will make more money by selling sets instead of individual items. Instead of selling a knife for $9, you can as well sell a set for $99 and make 10 times as much in commissions. Let's now see whether this is a big enough niche to support a 50-page site. Let's go to Google AdWords Keyword Planner and do a search for knives. Let's select the Keyword Ideas tab. As you can see, there are so many kinds of knives. You can easily build a 50 to 100 page site in this niche, possibly much bigger. Let's now check seasonality and regional interest. Let's head over to Google Trends and do a search for knives. Scroll down to the regional interest section. As you can see, there's a lot of demand for knives in the United States. Let's do a check for seasonality. Select 2015 or any year for that matter from this drop down. This is clearly not a seasonal niche. The demand increases pretty significantly during November and December, but demand exists all year round. So we can conclude this niche passes all of the initial tests.